Ruby loves the ocean. Let's dive in. Wow, what do you see, Ruby? It looks like a giant shell with an animal inside. Let's get a closer look. What do you notice? What do you wonder? I'm going to show you a real giant clam. Look closely. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Ooh, pause and talk about your questions. What did you see? I saw that the clam had sparkly glowing skin. That is actually because they sit on the bottom of the ocean and collect energy from the sun. Then you're seeing some of that glow from that energy. They are amazing at collecting solar energy. They're actually the best in the world, and scientists are studying them because they have algae, which is a little plant in their skin, that helps get the energy. But they're so good at having a ton of algae to help them out. They have another way of eating too. These are siphons. You see them sucking water in and out. Plankton are tiny little creatures that can actually get sucked into those siphons. Clams grow every year. How old do you think a clam can get? Would you believe if I told you that some of them can be 100 years old? That's amazing. Let's get up and dance. This is an empty shell. The clam isn't inside anymore, but it is huge. These are some of the largest shells in the world. Clams, you're amazing.